Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 13.4 from chapter construction. Here we are going to learn how to construct an angle with the help of compass. First I will tell you how to construct angle 135, which is an obtuse angle, and other I am going to give you the example of 75 degree. Afterwards we will try to construct angle 45 degree and we will try to draw the symmetry line on it. Means we will try to cut the arc of 45 degree in two equal parts. And in last, what we are going to do? We are going to draw the angle of 60 degree and we divide this 60 degree in 4 equal parts. And we will measure with the protractor that what is the measure of each and every part. Let us begin this work. 1A part, construction of 135 degree. 135 degree का हमें कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है. फॉर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ एनी लेंथ एंड वी विल लेबल इट विद लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी. ओके, आई एम प्लेसिंग ए एंड बी. नाउ with the help of compass we will open our compass at any radius and we will make one semicircle. After this, with this point, now I am writing here point P. With point P, I am going to draw one angle which is by default 60 degree. Afterwards, with this 60 degree, I will go for 120 degree, and for this 120, this is 120 degree. We will go for 180 degree. What we are going to do, we will just going to bisect the angle of 90 degree and 180 degree. For that we want to draw the angle of 90 degree. So by placing a pointer on 60 degree, I will draw another arc without changing the distance of compass, and from 120 I will draw another arc. Now this intersection point is of 90 degree. I will use dotted line to draw this. Okay, and now we are going to draw the angle of 135 degree by putting this intersection point O, and it is 180 degree. I will place it with R. Now I am going to draw bisection of O and R. I will stretch my compass between 90 and 180 degree. Here you can see 90 and 180 degree. I stretch my compass with this distance. With the angle 180 degree, I will draw one arc, and with 90 degree, I will draw another arc. This is the angle of 135 degree. Let's meet it with point A. Now we will check with the protractor, is it actually 135 or not? Yes, it is 90 degree. And it is 130 and 140. In between we have the line of 135 degree. It is the angle of 135 degree. Now we are going to draw the angle of 75 degree. It is C part of the same question. For this, again we are going to draw a basic line segment. We will put P and Q this time. Here P and here Q. Now stretch your compass at any radius and draw the arc. I am using point P as a center of the semicircle, and now I have drawn a semicircle on line segment PQ. For 75 degree, I can notice that it is below 90 degree. It is acute angle, so I will go with 60 degree and then 120 degree. Again what I will do the intersection point from 60 and 120, I will get 90 degree. Same procedure which we did earlier in the previous question, and I will join this intersection point with point P. This is angle of 90 degree. Now what I have to do, 75 degree is more than 60 degree and less than 90 degree. So I will took one arc from 60 degree and another arc from 90 degree. You can notice where I am putting my pointer, it is on 90 degree on the semicircle. Here I will be having one intersection point which is known as 75 degree. Let's check it with the protractor. Is it 75 or not? Yes, it is 90 degree, and here you can see it is more than 70 and less than 80, it is 75. So here we have the angle of 75 degree. Here in question number 3, question wants that we have to draw the angle of 45 degree, and now we have to draw the symmetry line of 45 degree. See, if the number is multiple of 15, we can use compass to draw this angle. Afterwards, we will draw the line of symmetry. Let's start with the line segment of any length. Label it with A or B. Now open your compass with any radius and choose any point. Like I am choosing point A as a radius, and I will draw the line segment. I will draw an arc. Here is a semicircle on point A. Now from this point I will draw 60 degree angle. Now from 60 I will draw 120 degree angle. Afterwards from 60 and from 120 I will get intersection point for 90 degree. Now let's check it is 90 or not. If it is 90, then we will go for 45 degree. Yes, it is 90 degree. Let us move for the bisection of 90 degree. For bisection we will stretch our compass to the measuring of length of the arc. So first cut from this point, which was our initial point, and second arc we will draw from 90 degree. It should be angle of 45 degree. I will pass line from intersection point and try to join with point A. See, it is an angle of 45 degree. Okay, it is for 90 and it is for 45. Now it's time to find out the symmetry line for 45 degree. Now stretch your compass and try to measure the length of the arc of 45 degree. Here it is. Okay, now draw one arc from this side. You can rotate your copy or notebook, and from this side. This point will give you the intersection point, and join them. This is the symmetry line of angle 45 degree. This is the angle of 45 degree, and this is the symmetry line. We can write this line AC. Now in question number 4, we have to draw an angle of 60 degree and divide it into 4 equal parts. What is the measure of each part? First we will draw angle of 60 degree with the help of compass. For that, again same basic steps we are going to do. We will draw a line segment of any length, label it with A and B. You can take your name according to your choice, children, and stretch your compass at any radius. It is completely your choice. Fine. Now draw a semicircle with the center A. Now from this point I will take first arc, which is by default 60 degree. Now I will pass out one line from this point, which is for 60 degree. Let's check it. Yes, it is exactly 60 degree. Now this is the time to divide this 60 degree angle in 4 equal parts. Again the same step. If you are going to bisect any angle in 4 equal parts or 2 equal parts, you have to measure the length of the arc. What is the length of the arc? Afterwards, take first arc from 0 degree and another arc from 60 degree. So passing line from this intersection point, it is 30 degree line. It is bisection of You can see 0, 10, 20 and 30. Now it has two equal parts. Now again I am going to measure the length of these minor arcs, or if you are not required, you can directly use the same thing. One arc from this point and another arc from this point. If you wish to compress your compass, you can compress it. Again check the length of the arc. Draw first arc from 0 degree, another arc from 30 degree. And the same process we are going to do with 30 degree and from 60 degree. Same distance we are having. Passing line through the intersection point. First and let's measure what is the measurement of first angle. It is 10 degree and it is more than 5 lines more than 10 degree. It is 15 degree. This is the line for 15 degree. Here it is the line for 30 degree. Here it is a line for 40. It is between 40 and 50. It is 45. So this is the line for 45 degree. And here again, if you are going towards 45 to 60, again 15 degree gap is there, so it is line of 60 degree. So everywhere you can say there is a gap of 15 degree. So each angle measure is 15 degree, or each part we can say it is 15 degree, 15 degree, 15 degree, and it is also 15 degree.